been a pretty tight schedule today. I probably spent the past 4 hours just responding to messages, Facebook, Instagram, getting orders out. So if I've been doing that for the past few hours, it's about 1:31 right now. Especially on launch days. So whenever I launch a new product like the spoiler, which by the way was a crazy success, I again sold out in less than 24 hours. So I am gonna have a second release on those because I had so much, and there's still so much interest. So there's a lot of people who didn't make the order, and I feel bad because, you know, I didn't really give a heads up. When I dropped it, people just got on it, and the people that have been asking for it haven't had a chance to get on it, so I do apologize about that. But I'm gonna have that out there. I'm only gonna have, I think, 10 to 15, up to 20, depending on how much I can do. But I you know, 25 was just something that I didn't think was gonna, you know, sell out so fast. So I'm gonna do another 15 run. Big thing on my list today is I wanna get the DIY install video so you can have a tutorial for the push start button, and that should only take 30 seconds. And so right now I'm gonna go get a quick spray down wash. I usually wash it at home, but I wanna use a power wash, so I'm gonna go down to the car wash and just spray my car. And then I'm gonna head to the gym. I don't know if any of you guys are huge gym goers. I've asked before, but I really don't know if you guys are, how many fitness junkies are there? And me, like, I'm pretty big into it. Like I wanted to go into bodybuilding. I wanted to do all this stuff. When I was in school, I studied health, I studied physical education, I studied fitness, science. I have a degree in biology and health, and you know, so it was my passion. It was something that I wanted to do. So I don't know if you guys are really big into it like I am. And the only reason I ask and I wonder is because I wanted to mix something with my two passions, which was cars and fitness. And it's really hard to do that. And I don't know if you guys are in the same boat where you guys love the two things, but I figured I'd ask. I think one of my favorite stress relievers is just driving. Just taking myself on the open road and just driving. And I just love letting their turbos spool up and just let it do its thing. Cool, so made it to the wash, just wash bay. I'm really picky about what touches the car, so I don't do any sort of touching. I don't use a brush, I don't go through any car washes, I do all hand wash by myself. So I'm gonna do a quick spray down and then gonna head to the gym. Yeah, super dirty, just filthy. I mean, you can't really see it because everything's ceramic pro'd. But even under the ceramic pro, if you look like where everything pools up, yeah. And it's all done. That looks really good. See, just like that's already dried up. Don't even need to do anything dry. That's where I hit the gym. All right, so I finished up, gonna be heading back right now. I've got a surprise for you guys. I think you guys are gonna like it. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for it, so moment of truth. Finally back home after it looks a little bit more cleaner with the little car wash. Yeah, something about the front I feel like is missing, and I think I know what it is. I just have this strange, miraculous box that came. Double slotted grills. Yeah. Just got out of paint. Looks like a nice glossy finish. What do you guys think? Next item of business, maybe? Yeah? No? Let's try it out. So here's a side-by-side difference of the two. The original that I have, gloss black, versus the new double-sided gloss black. What do you think? So one thing I can say is the tabs still aren't perfect. They don't come out quite enough, so I had to heat them up and kind of bring the prongs out a little bit. So now it's easy that I just use a little heat gun, raised them up a little bit, so you can see it's now a little bit more just higher, so it actually latches on behind the nook. Can't even tell, just took 10 seconds each side, so they should just, you should hear it clip and they should pop in now. Final look. Alright, so here's a quick 30-second tutorial on the install for this button that everyone's been raving about. And this is for the E9X, but F is pretty similar. So all you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver just like this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and go to the back of the trim here, pry it open. So just literally pull it out. Once you have that, you're gonna take your hand, pull this off just like that. Get your hand behind there, pull the wire out from this button, and then you just need to take both hands, both fingers, and just pinch the button on the back end so this pops out like that. And then what I mean is you're gonna see there's little buttons or push pins on each side that you just pry and then pull out. Once that is done, you just take your hand and just pull the ring off, just clips off. Take a flathead screwdriver and just pop the button out, just like that. Then you take the new one and just pop it right in there. And then reverse order, put everything back in, you're all set. Just like that. Throw it in, connect the back cord, then you just push it back into place. Boom.
Drive safely. Recording started.
All set. You can see it lights up and everything too. Got that nice blue with red illumination. Push to start. All done. And on this season of The Bachelorettes, dang. So we've got a mixture of everything here. We've got the perforated leather and the Napa leather with the red stripes. We've got Alcantara. We've got a cool white stripe there. We've got a light blue stripe, dark blue stripe, a bunch of the reds, and a good mixture of, again, the Alcantara leather, so on and so forth. So pretty good mix here. Some of these are going to be 6-speed manual, and then you're going to get some that are with paddle cutouts. So a good amount of questions on these come up, the paddle shifters. They will be available, so be on the lookout for that. I'm also going to be offering different kinds of paddles and a kit for that, so be on the lookout. I would definitely say probably in the next few weeks.
And these will work with these steering wheels. So that will be there. And on that note, I have some good news of some new partnerships coming up. So really excited, which is awesome. Definitely a ton of leeway in traffic that's coming through. So the only thing is I can't really say much about it now. So once it's official, I'll be able to give you a little bit more information. So I'd be happy to do that once that happens. So usually with all my new products, I like to do some staging with them. So obviously you can see in pretty good quality the details and obviously what it is and showcasing them on the website or Instagram or Facebook, whatever it is. So you can see here behind me I'm doing some showcasing for the steering wheels, making them look pretty. Obviously, like I said, bringing out the details and accentuating everything. So my little staging area and the crew. All right, with that being said, tomorrow's gonna be an interesting day, filled with a lot of designing. I've got a lot of orders going out. All those steering wheels, they're all going out tomorrow. Pretty much all of those are sold. So if you want to get one of those, I'll put that in the link below as well. So the two links you'll see is the V2 Performance spoiler and then the steering wheels in the link below. Feel free to check it out. And if you have any questions, give me a holler. But they're all made to order pretty much. I ordered a few that are just to have on hand, but I mean, they're sold within a couple days. So, but yeah, I'm gonna be pretty busy tomorrow and I've got a lot of cool things coming up. Let me know if you like the grills, put them in the comment below. I'd like to hear your feedback on them. I think they look really awesome, to be honest. If you have any questions or anything, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, follow my YouTube, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one, as always. Beep boop.